So welcome back guys. My name is Ablan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign we go about looking at how we can use Google Play Protect to detect harmful apps and then remove them from our Redmi device. So this is pretty simple. Swipe from the top, tap on settings so that you basically arrive at the settings screen. Now here under settings screen you need to tap on security status. So you will see there are quite few many features, but one of which is Google Play Protect. Tap on Google Play Protect and here you can see like it says that your device may be at risk, there is one unsafe app. So it's totally on you whether you want to uninstall or you keep the app. I will uninstall this app. So there you go, the app has been uninstalled and you can again like you use Play Protect to scan. Before you actually start using this, you need to head towards settings and you know that you have this feature of scanning apps with Play Protect. So this basically what it does is like anything you download from the Play Store, it will keep scanning and warn you about any harmful apps. You know, there are so many cases now wherein the applications try to steal information, or like, you know, there are instances of your data being shared. So you don't really want all of that. So like, you know, Google does this, like they will release a list, they will keep removing apps on the Play Store. But you should also be aware that, well, you have a setting called the Play Protect using which you can scan these applications and have them removed from the device. So there you go. Once you do this, you can again do scanning and like, you know, at least ensure that your device is not having any such applications which may pose threat to the device security later on. So guys, I mean, this is all I wanted to share with you today. If you think this is helpful, kindly consider subscribing. Please do share this with your friends and family. Also, please do let me know how you find this tutorial. I mean, I really think that all that I do will benefit you in some way. So that's all from my side, guys. Until next time, it's me, Amlan, signing off.